Okay, to remove the pulley is a bit of a trick, and I'm only able to do it because I have this special tool for holding one of the other pulleys. Now I'm forgetting which exactly, which we used earlier. So what I do is put those two prongs in here, and I've put this long hex bit that we fashioned into the tensioner pulley slot hole there, and so now it, well, okay, if I do it right, I can just put it there and it will stay. Looks like the pins are even the right size to fit in it, so this, I suspect that the correct procedure may well be something like this. So let's see if we can get it in there, and then we'll let it rest up against that, and then voila, we can remove these bolts, which otherwise would have been quite difficult. Huh. One of those screws is rounded out. Great. Someone has tried to remove this without success. Okay. We're lucky it came out. The rounding wasn't too clear. I think the pulley will just come off. There you go. So now we can take off the pump quite easily, which is what I'm going to do.